How to break free from limiting beliefs and become unstoppable. Limiting beliefs can act like invisible chains, holding you back from reaching your full potential. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. But you have the power to break free and become unstoppable. Here's how to do it. 1. Identify your limiting beliefs. Start by recognizing the beliefs that may be holding you back. Reflect on questions like, what do I believe about my abilities and worth? Are there specific fears that keep coming up? Jot these beliefs down. Awareness is the first step toward transformation. 2. Challenge your beliefs. Once you've identified them, it's time to challenge these beliefs. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? What evidence do I have to support or refute it? Look for examples in your life where you've succeeded despite these beliefs. This helps weaken their grip on you. 3. Reframe your thoughts. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. For instance, if you believe I'll never be successful, reframe it to, I am capable of achieving success through hard work and persistence. Write these new beliefs down and affirm them regularly. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment significantly impacts your mindset. Surround yourself with supportive, positive people who encourage growth. Engage with communities or content that inspire you to pursue your goals. Take action. Action is crucial for overcoming limiting beliefs. Start small and take steps outside your comfort zone. This could mean trying a new hobby, networking with new people, or sharing your ideas or content online. Each step builds confidence and reinforces your belief in your capabilities. Visualize your success. Visualization is a powerful tool for rewiring your brain. Spend a few minutes each day picturing yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions associated with that success: joy, excitement, pride. This helps solidify your belief in what's possible. Embrace failure. Redefine failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. Understand that every successful person has faced failures along the way. Learn from these experiences and use them to fuel your growth. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This reinforces your new beliefs and motivates you to continue pushing forward. Consider keeping a journal to track your successes and reflect on your growth. Breaking free from limiting beliefs is a journey, but it's one that can lead to immense personal growth and empowerment. By identifying, challenging, and reframing your beliefs, surrounding yourself with positivity, taking action, visualizing success, embracing failure, and celebrating your progress, you can become truly unstoppable. Start today, believe in your potential, and take the first step toward the life you desire.